Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see overview of Sitecore templates. Let's begin. So what are templates in Sitecore? A template is an item that defines both the structure and behavior of items. So what format of data or what kind of data that we need to have, that basically is defined with the help of template. It represents a data structure that defines a type of the content. Simply we can say template provides schema for the content. Generally whatever the item we are creating, before creating the item we'll first create a template of that item. We'll specify what are the fields that are required, what type of data we need to store in that item, and accordingly we create a template and accordingly the object is created. Generally template will have two parts. First one is the section and other are the fields. The section represents a logical grouping of related fields that are sub items under the newly created template. Whatever the fields that we feel are related, we will just club them into one single section. Here in the example I have created a text section. Inside the text section I have added the field. Fields are the properties in a template. Fields have name, field type and data source for the things like drop down. You can see we have fields here. So first of all we need to provide the name, which type of field that is. Either it can be single line, rich text, checkbox, tree list, etc. Source, so whenever we want to specify the data source or from where we can get the details for that field, we'll set the source here, version and shared. These are the fields that are present, and based on our requirement we will specify the name and then we'll create item accordingly from that template. So here is the example of the template. I added text section here and some of the fields I have added in this template. Types of template, we have basically three types of template: data template, branch template and command template. Data template, it defines used fields to control how data is entered and determine the exact field section, field types and field names for each item. So generally most of the time you will be working with these data templates here. So we'll create the template for that particular item, data template for that item, and accordingly we'll use branch templates. It enables to create a set of items rather than a single item. A branch template consists of branch template definition item, which can contain a single item, a hierarchy of item or multiple hierarchies of item. In branch template, generally where there is a use case where we want to have multiple items nested inside a single item and we need to create multiple copies of that hierarchical items, we'll use a branch template. So what we'll do is we create a simple branch template for this and we'll replicate those items here in our content tree. Command templates, it allows to insert items using logic rather than a predefined structure. So instead of predefined structure we can use logic and insert the items accordingly in command templates. We'll discuss more about these types of templates in further videos. Points to remember, so for the easy understanding we can say template can be considered as a class in our object oriented concept. Item can be classified as object. Fields are the same, and for field types we can say they are similar to data types. References, so these are some of the references. I will attach those slides in description so you can go through this if you require. That's it from this video. Thank you for watching.